Welcome to Lion Bytes, quick 1-minute guides to help Mountain View families stay connected. In this video, we'll walk you through how to check your students' grades in Infinite Campus. Start by logging into Infinite Campus. You can use the link on the screen or scan the QR code with another device to get to the login screen. Step 1. Once you're logged in, click the 3-line or hamburger menu in the top left corner. Step 2. Next, choose Grades. You'll see all of your students' classes for the current term. Step 3. Click on any class to view detailed information. You'll see the overall percentage and a list of assignments with their individual scores. Step 4. Look for any assignments marked missing or 0% or showing a low percentage. These are great conversation starters. Ask your student what's happening in that class and how they can connect with their teacher. What should you be looking for? Look for assignments that are marked as missing. Look for assignments that have 0%, and look for grades that have low percentages. What should you do after you look at grades? Stay calm. Ask your student open-ended questions, work to problem solve together, and follow up with the teacher to see if your child can make up that work. That's your Lion's Bite on attendance. Quick, clear, and designed to keep our Pride families informed.